Are you not getting replies on your emails because your messages aren't personalized? And if you are personalizing them, it takes too much of time and effort researching about every single lead. So I was also struggling with the exact same problem. So I built this agent which now helps me send highly personalized cold emails in minutes and get 10x more replies than before. So this video is perfect for entrepreneurs who can use it to reach their potential clients to grow their business, marketers who can use it to boost their campaign engagement and generate qualified leads. This video is even for students or like working professionals who can use it to network, land internships, jobs, or connect with their mentors. So let me quickly show you what this agent is all about. If you remember in my previous video, I explained half part of it, where I explained if you have how you can collect all this information, like if you have scrape Apollo and get all this information like LinkedIn, phone, website, Twitter, everything from Apollo, and then how you can enrich it, like how you can collect information like industry sector, headcount, ARR estimate, headquarter, funding round, last fundraise, and all these information. I've already explained that in my previous video. If you have not seen that video, make sure you go back and watch this video, because these informations are super important to generate a highly personalized email. Because without this, you will never be able to generate a personalized email, and then your cold emails will never work. Okay. So once we have all this information, like you can see that I have collected all this information for multiples of leads that I have, right? And now my agent will start from here, where I'll try to target them. I'll move them to a different sheet. I will collect all this information again and then pass it to a LLM and ask it to generate a personalized email for me. Okay, let me quickly show you my website, Agent Grow, where I help people build custom AI agents that helps 10x your growth. And I have listed the agent that we are building today here, like AI SDR agent, autopilot cold emailer, for just $99. This is the minimum possible price where I have listed it, and this is part of my AI SDR agent, which you can find here. Like first you will need this enrich leads to enrich all your leads that you have. Like this agent scrapes data from Apollo and enrich it. Then if you don't have Apollo, you can scrape leads from Google Maps as well. Now this is the next part where we are sending them cold emails one by one, personalized cold emails using AI. Okay, so let's start with this video. What I will do after all this, after I have collected the information, I will just mark these as promote to opportunity, because these are my opportunity whom I want to target. So I'll just set these as promote to opportunity. Like you can see, I have already marked a few of them as promote to opportunity, right? Now I will go back to my agent. This is my agent, and I'll just create a new get rows in sheet, and I will just fetch all the promote to opportunity items here, right? I'll disconnect this, and then append row in a sheet, right? Like I can just pull all the opportunities and put it to my opportunities sheet. Like you can see that here, right? I have pulled all the data. I've kept it here. Like I've pulled all the information, like industry sector, headcount, last fundraise, short summary, everything, right? And I have kept it here. Now, the next step is very simple. Once I have all the information in my hand, what I will do is I'll just fetch all the places where you have kept the generate email as true, like where you have set the task as generate email. Like in this case, you can see that I have generated an email already. So it will give you an email subject like this. Like I've started with an example for Agent Grow. So you can see that it generated this email. Hi, Dorothy. Congrats on this, because it knows that you congrats on growth continued scaling efforts with recent funding. It knows about the company's recent funding, so it is specifically targeting that. At Agent Grow, we specialize in AI agents, SEO optimization. This could not streamline, and it has written all the things required, right? So now, what do I need to do? I just need to mark another email. Let's say I want to send an email for, let me see where we have good information. Like, let's say this one is good. So I'll just set it as generate email, and I'll go back to my agent. I'll ask it to generate, right? So I'll just click on execute workflow. This one will fetch all the rows where I have set the get email. And then this is the AI agent node where I have kept the prompt quite simple right now. Like first thing, like I have gave it a role that you are an SDR, and then I've gave it a context. Like here you need to put your brand details. Like let's say you're anything, like you are a QR code company, you are a fintech, anything you can mention here that you represent this, and then you have to give instructions here, and then all the lead data will come here, and then you'll give it a task, right? So this is what I have given to my agent, and I've pinned the data here. For now, I'll unpin it, otherwise it will generate the same data. And then I've given it a structured output. That gives me a structured output in format of subject and email body. That's it. And then I'm writing it back to my Google Sheet. Like I'm writing subject here and email body here. That's it. So I'll just execute it, see how it works. It is using the chat model, and it will generate the structured output and put it back to my Google Sheet. Like you can see that it is putting it to my Google Sheet. Now let me go back and see, yeah, it has generated an email because this row is looking bigger now. So you can see that, yeah, see, it has written a different email this time. Unlocking growth for Bitstamp, where hi Paul, congratulations on the recent funding of $12 million. And I wanted to introduce you with this. So we'll be open to a quick chat next week. It has kept all the details required. I've just not given it a name in the prompt. So if I give that, it will put that as well. So yeah, this is the agent that we have, right? And the next step is just sending the emails also, right? That also you can do from your Google Sheets only. I'll just set send email, and it will just pull the data. I'll just need to disconnect, and it will just pull all the data where I have set the task as send email, and it will use my Gmail account, Gmail credentials, and send that exact email to all those clients one by one. And I can even automate this to do at, like, I don't need to manually trigger it. I can just do it using schedule trigger, because I want it to, like, maybe I want every hour, I want it to check it and run it. So what I will simply do is I'll just go here and I'll just disconnect it, and I'll connect this with all these nodes so that keeps on running every hour. It will pull all the new remote opportunity data, and it will generate emails for them. It will send emails to them. So this was my agent, where we saw that how you can send personalized, highly personalized emails, where you're just giving a context, you have to talk about it, and then you're just mentioning about the details, and it is automatically generating that email for you and sending it every hour on autopilot. And if you want to, like, purchase this agent, it is available here. Like, you can always go ahead and click on purchase now and purchase it. Or if you want to build a similar agent with me in a live session free of cost, then don't forget to join the community. My community is completely free, and the link is in the description, so make sure you join it. I'll start a poll there about asking for the next session, what do you want to learn in the next session, and I do that session live for my audience. And make sure you join it. And yeah, if you have any thoughts or suggestions on what I should teach next on my channel, make sure you do that. You drop that in the comments so that I make that video next. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more such amazing AI automations. Thank you, and have a nice day.